Good morning, bumblebees. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend with their families. So I just wanted to do a little check-in, and I would like to know, how are you feeling? How are you feeling today? So let's take a look at the different emotions that I drew at the bottom. We have happy, sad, angry, surprised, silly, sleepy, and excited. So maybe in the comments below, you could let us know how you're feeling today. I know I'm feeling very happy because we're going to start learning about a new topic this week, and I'll tell you what that is later. But I'd love to know how you're feeling. And if you did something fun this weekend, what was your favorite thing that you did this weekend? Maybe you can tell us all about it. I'd love to hear. So let's get ready to tap out our message. Dear Bumblebee friends, good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. We will play Love, Miss Malatestenik, and Miss Schuttinger. All right, friends, what kind of pattern do you notice in our message today? What kind of pattern do you see? It's an A, B, B pattern. Nice noticing. So what color would come at the bottom? If we're going to write something else down here, which color would we write it in? Would we write it in blue or would we write it in green? What do you think? Green. Awesome. All right, my letter detectives, let's get ready. What letter are we hunting for today? What letter do you see? It's the letter A. Good job. So maybe later with your families, you can look for all of the letter A's in today's message. But I have another question for you. What's a word that starts with the letter A? Maybe you can think of some. Maybe you could create a list with your families. If you made an alphabet book, the one we posted last week, maybe you can look at that and see, what did you draw? What starts with the letter A? All right, so let's take a look at our April calendar. Let's see. Okay, so what month is it? April, you're right. Should we count to see how many days we've had so far in April? I think we've had quite a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What comes next? 20. Good. So today is the 20th day of April. So do you think 20 is a big number or is 20 a small number? What do you think? Talk about it with your families. But let's see what day of the week it is. So here's 20. Let's look up here. What day is this? What does this say? Which day of the week starts with the letter M? Monday. Good, so today is Monday, April 20th. Now it's your turn to say it. Ready? Nice job. Should we check the weather? So I'd love if you could put your hands on your head if you created a weather wheel last week, or if you downloaded the app where you can dress Wilson on your mom or dad's phone or on your iPad or tablet. Okay, so let's get ready and take a look outside. What do you see? What's the weather like? What does it feel like? Is it hot outside today? Is it cold outside? Do you see the sun shining bright? Is it a little bit cloudy? And let's get our weather wheels or our weather graph, whatever weather tool you have at home. And let's see. So right now when I looked outside my window, I saw the sun. So I'm going to move my arrow to the sun. So today is sunny and it's a little bit cold. It's a little windy also. So maybe I can put my arrow to windy too. Okay. So I want you to take a minute with your families. And what would you dress Wilson in today? What kind of clothes should he wear for today's weather? And if you have the app, I'd love to see our meteorologists hard at work. So maybe you can send in a picture or a video of what you dressed Wilson in. All right. So baby Echo is here today to go over some of our letter sounds. And get your listening ears ready and your looking eyes. I want to see if you can do them by yourselves today. Okay, I'm not going to say them and Echo's not going to say them. He wants you to say them by yourselves. Do you think you can do it? Let's see. I hope you had a fun time doing that by yourself and showing your families that you don't need to hear Echo. That's so, so, so exciting. But before we go, I want to show you something. Does anybody know what this is? What am I holding here? Think about when we learned about Arctic animals. What did we look at? Our globe. So remember, the Arctic was all the way up north, all the way up here. And we live right here, this teensy weensy little dot. That's where Farmingdale is. Okay, but the globe is our Earth. And we know that we live on Earth. We live in Farmingdale, New York, which is on our globe, on our Earth right here. It's our home. So this week, there's a very special holiday, and it's called Earth Day. Can you echo me? Earth Day. And Earth Day is all about keeping our home on Earth safe and clean so we can live there and so our Earth can grow and all the trees can grow and everything in the oceans can grow. Okay, so we're going to learn about different ways that we can keep our Earth clean and safe for us to live in. So later I'm going to post some pictures for you and your families to look at, and I'm also going to read you a story all about keeping our Earth clean. Okay, I'll see you later.